Now let's have a fresh installation by using the manual installation method. To do so, let's create a new directory in our local machine and let's name it as manual app, and open the folder and open your terminal in it and write code and dot, so that the current directory will be open in our Visual Studio Code. After the project is opened in the Visual Studio Code, let's open the terminal and type the following commands to install Next.js, React.js and React DOM, so that we will able to configure our project on top of them. So npm install next at latest react at latest and react DOM at latest, and press enter and wait until the installation is completed. So once the packages are successfully installed, let's open the package.json file and add the following scripts into it. So add a quotation into it and let's give it a name as scripts, and let's add the following JSON into it. So dev as next dev. So this dev is used to start the project in as a development mode, and build script to start the project as a production mode, and the start script as next start, and finally the lint script to process our lint. So Next.js uses file-based routing. So for that, we have to create a folder named app. So in the app directory, we need to create two files, the page.tsx and another one, the layout.tsx file. These file names are convention. These are convention file names. So this has to be the name of those files. So we cannot change the name to another file name. So once we create the layout.tsx, let's add the following code snippet into it. So export default function root layout. This is the root layout. It has children, and the type for the children is react dot react mode. So so once we can all import the React from the React library, import React from React, so that the following code, the error will be vanished. So once we create the function, let us return an HTML into it. So HTML, in this HTML we are going to have the body, tag. In this body tag, the children component will be rendered, but let's give some attributes to the HTML tag, specifically for lang attribute and an. So now we create the page layout structure, the layout file, and let's go to the page.txt file and create the following snippet. So export default function, let's call it page. We can name it whatever component name we want it to be called, and let us return one HTML or JSX element into it, h1. In this h1 we can say hello Next.js. Now we can run our application as npm run dev, and let's see what we are going to get. So let's go to our browser and type localhost 300 and enter, and voila, here is our Next.js application that we are configured manually. So thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more Next.js tutorials. So see you in the next video.